Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a palm tree that looks like this. And of course you can do whatever you want with it. There are many different variations you can get, kind of like this, like that. Really anything works. So, first things first, let's go ahead and create a new palm tree. So do Control N on your keyboard, add geometry, trunks, palm to low poly. Now we can right click on this, add geometry to selected. Excuse me. We're going to add two different palm trees, or fronds. We will start with the palm standard, um, and then we will also add on the, let's see if I can find it, palm droopy. Alright. Now what we need to do is delete the leaflets from the palm droopy. Delete the fronds from the palm normal standard one, and drag the leaflets onto the fronds. That way, we get a mix between the droopy palm fronds and the nice looking palm leaflets on the standard palm tree. Now we select the trunk and we go down to spine on the left hand side, or actually my bad, branch on the left hand side, and change that value for the radius to 0.4. This makes the tree look a lot skinnier and, in my opinion, better, but it all depends on what you're trying to create. So now, what we need to do is increase the number of leaflets because it's going to look empty whenever we add in the texture. So I'm going to increase the number to 200 per frond, like that. And there we go. It's starting to look a lot more full. Go to the materials, click the plus sign, and get just a palm leaf texture, just a leaflet texture, without the branch on it or anything. Just like that. Almost looks like a blade of grass. And bring it on here. So you'll notice that it's very low res, only 20 by 119, and that's because this is not going to be seen very up close, and it still does the job and looks good. And also we have a high poly tree on its own. So now that we have some nice looking leaflets, we need to adjust the color. So to do that, we drag this RGB scale, the middle one, all the way to the right, and drag this one halfway in between the right and the middle. There we go. Click X and change the amount to 0.8. This will brighten up our tree and look a lot better. Now we need to sync the leaflets. So adjust the sync to a value of about 0.1. Good. We have everything down pretty much. The only thing left to do is to increase the branches and add the texture to the branches. So to do that, we will increase the number to 6. 6 looks good for our purposes, and we may even scale it up a little bit just to experiment. So size scaler 1.17, and I think that looks good. Now we can go ahead and add in the trunk material. Um, palm bark, my folders. Alright, right there. And bring it on into the scene like that. And your palm tree really starts to come together here. Now, if you created a separate mesh, for example, a sphere, you can go ahead and bring that in and make some coconuts right under here. But I haven't done that, and I may do that in a future video, or maybe even this. Yeah, probably a future video. So anyway, we have the texture on, we have the leaflets. It looks like it's aiming a little too high. The branches are aiming a little too high. So I'm going to select the fronds mesh and add the magnet to it. This will make them droop a little bit and kind of give that spherical look. And I'll decrease the strength to 0.25 or maybe even 0.35 I think would look better. Alright, so there we go. That is how our palm tree looks, and we can add some wind to it. So set up the wind wizard, and these are long narrow leaves with the coconut palm, so select that. Select the palm tree setting, and I set the conditions to calm. Now click OK. There we go. It looks very nice. It's blowing in the wind. Just nice breeze. Um, One thing we can do is duplicate these fronds. So Control C, Control V, bring them on, but make the fronds frequency 3 and uh, adjust the first and last settings to bring them lower. So 0.9 and 0.91 looks good. And then we can go ahead and add in another magnet, but this one will be more intense. Let's see. Um, Fronts go out a little bit too far. Let's increase the strength of this one a little bit. Okay, looking a little scary. Decrease the effect that magnet 1 has, and alright, we'll see how that looks. I don't think that's good, but let's also duplicate the leaflets and bring them onto these fronds. Alright, yeah, we need to adjust that, but first I want to get the colors down. So let's add in my palm leaf again. Palm leaf 02. And this time I'll make the color different. So I'll drag it all the way to the right and make it yellow, more yellow than it was, like a lime color. Make the amount 0.8 and bring it into the leaves, into the scene, like that. Maybe a little bit more dead, so no, lighter. Ooh, wow. Huh, that's interesting. Okay, that is not good. Let's see. It just completely... Oh, no. What happened? Okay, there we go. And, oh wow, that sucks. Okay, that's not good at all. Okay, let me duplicate, um, the... Alright, let me duplicate the leaflet, and then once I do that, I'll be able to bring it back into the scene. So, palm leaf 02 copy, click the plus O2 copy right there, use color arrangement, and okay, no, that's not what we need. Palm leaf. Let's just call it palm leaf 03. 03, enter, and palm leaf 03. Okay, now we can choose color adjustment, color, bring it over like that. And that should be good. Now we can make the amount 0.8 and drag it in. Okay, I actually like that color a lot more. So I'm going to bring it to all of the leaves. And now I'm going to switch back to palm leaf 02 and bring that onto these bottom leaves. Okay, shoot. We want these bottom leaves to look dead. Oh, I know what to do. Okay. We will delete the second magnet. Okay. And now those are going all over the place. So we need to select these fronds and we need to select them with edits. And we can delete that between them. Okay. So now we can select the fronds with edits, select nodes with edits, and we can drag them downward like that. So now these will be like the dead fronds and it'll look better. We can adjust their scale too, like that. Perfect. We can also bring this into Unreal Engine, which is pretty cool. It is a bit too high poly for it, but I mean, it still looks nice. So, about to be done here. This palm tree brought up more complications than I expected. So as you can see, I'm just bringing down these palm fronds. Okay. Space them out a little bit so that they don't overlap too badly. Alright, perfect. That looks nice. So, now that we have that, we can reconnect these, and we'll have this dead layer beneath the healthy layer. We can go ahead and select the palm tree texture, bring it on again. Oh my gosh, that looks terrible. Okay. We'll have to fix the tiling in a separate program, but for now it's okay. Oh, light map. Oh, that's what's going on. Okay. It's too much to handle, maybe, with the textures, but that's alright. No wonder it looks okay. Um, anyway, oh, there we go. Kind of popped back into good resolution there. Okay, anyway, now what we need to do is change the color of these leaflets because they're not supposed to be healthy. So, I'm going to go ahead and open up Photoshop to do that because in my opinion it's easier to do. Excuse me. So now that I've opened up Photoshop, I'll click Paul Leaf 04. Nope, that's not what I need. Alright, I guess I can just open up palm leaf 03. I can duplicate that, call it palm leaf underscore or dead dead underscore leaf. Okay, there we go. Bring it in. So now that's opened up, hard to see, but we can go ahead and select curves. Red, we want to increase, and blue, we want to decrease a little bit. So now it looks dead, like that. File, export. Oh, that's edit, no wonder. Alright, file, export. Quick export as PNG. Dead leaf, we don't want two EAs. Alright, we don't want two A's. Alright, then switch back over here. Select the dead leaf. Actually, never mind, you have to select it from the inside like that. And bring it on to, ooh, we have to get out of the node edits. So, like that. Now we need to go to the materials, drag it on. Boom, now we have the dead leaves and the healthy leaves up there. This may be a bit too intense, so we can adjust the color to be less intense by about like 0.2. Sorry, by a factor of 0.5 maybe. Make this white. There we go. Now it's a little more washed out and less intense. Maybe 0.25 should be good. Yep, that did the trick. Looks nice now. Everything is good. And we just need to add collision and we will be finished. So select the collision capsule, bring it over, scale it down the radius to about 1.2 and increase the height. And now that we've done that, we can bring it over. Maybe. Dang. Okay, there's going to be a little bit of a collision issue here. It's alright, we can increase the radius a little more. Alright, good. We're done. This is the final palm tree look. Go ahead and save it. Palm underscore droopy underscore high poly underscore 02. Okay, good. So that's the final product. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Sorry that this was a bit of a long tutorial, but hope it helped you out, and peace.